In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your nutrition with the MyFitnessPal app, a helpful tool for anyone looking to monitor their eating habits and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're focusing on weight loss, muscle gain, or maintaining your current diet, MyFitnessPal can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in and get you started with using this app effectively. The first step is a simple one. Open up the MyFitnessPal app on your smartphone. If you don't have it installed yet, you'll want to download it from your device's app store. It's available on both iOS and Android platforms. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have a good data plan, as you'll be using the internet for this process. Once the app is open, you'll need to log in. If you already have an account, you can proceed by tapping on Login. If you're new to MyFitnessPal, take a moment to create an account first. Today we're assuming you already have an account, so go ahead and click on Login. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Double check that you've entered these details correctly to avoid any unnecessary frustration. If you're having trouble remembering your password, there's usually a forgot password link that can help you reset it safely. Once you've keyed in your credentials, click on the Login button again. This should take you to the main interface of the app, where you can start tracking your nutrition. Now it's time to access your personal settings. Look to the upper left corner of the screen and you'll see Profile. Click on it. Your profile is your central hub for managing all of your data and settings in the app. As we continue, find and select Nutrition within your profile. This section provides comprehensive details about your dietary intake, including calories, macronutrients, and more. It's the core feature for tracking what you consume throughout the day. Within the Nutrition section, click on the Nutrients tab. Here you'll find an in-depth breakdown of the nutrients you've consumed. MyFitnessPal allows you to monitor everything from protein and carbohydrates to vitamins and minerals. By analyzing this data, you can adjust your eating habits to better meet your nutritional goals. With this newfound knowledge, you'll be able to use these insights to tweak your diet for optimal health. Tracking your nutrition can seem overwhelming at first, but with time and practice, MyFitnessPal can become second nature. Remember, the more you use it, the more you'll learn about your eating habits and how to enhance them for a healthier lifestyle. So, that's how you effectively track your nutrition using the MyFitnessPal app. I hope you find this guide helpful as you start your journey to better eating habits. Thank you for watching and happy tracking.